Showing at what, 7 o'clock?
It's been spring break, but I only came home yesterday because I had work at school. But here's a quick little summary of what's been going on.
Car wash!
Catch you ready, yo, up.
Jones barbecue foot massage. Jones barbecue foot massage.
Today was officially my first day on the job, and it was tiring and it sucked because the first thing I had to do was count all of the drinks in the store and compare it to how much we're supposed to have, and go downstairs and get all the new drinks to put up on the floor and put them back, and the cart was at least twice my weight.
What are you doing?
For all of us?
Ew.
Well, what is this one?
This is $5. It is $82.
$5?
Let's just go in there. Hey guys, so we are trampolining high. Ah, stop! What the?
You're a little
So rude.
You can't redo it. I'm sorry. You just can't.
No video.
Okay, ready to action.
Teara. Try to show us your spoon. Show us your spoon. This is Micah.
Camera shy.
This is a straw.
Oh, okay. This is my receipt. I ordered a moo milk tea with boba.
Wait, this is my cell phone.
That's not me. I'm 34. I'm 34, so
I'm 33. That's not your number.
we gotta wait.
Wait,
like 5 more people.
We
I
need
don't
a
know.
better view of the 5 more people.
Okay.
There we go.
So,
There we go.
Wait, against the white wall. With
Okay.
the white receipt. Better, right?
See, we gotta need a double reflection so you guys can get that. Mine's just kind of
Probably need to
crumbled.
put behind my face. So.
Me too. Double Tracy utilizing my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, let's not get my
And
credit
let's not
card in
forget
there.
the straw.
Oh, here we go. Let's
The
not
double
straw.
reflection.
How about we not get my credit card number in there?
What the heck? He didn't light it up the stove.
Happy birthday. I thought your grandpa's giving you. We're planning on moving to
Me
a
and my
lot.
fridge, guys. Let me give a quick tour.
Update.
So, this is the handle. Obviously, it has a button.
Double reflection. Don't
Yeah.
forget. There
It
you
has
go.
a button on it. And if you press that button, get this. It opens. Oh my gosh.
There's drinks.
We
I
got-
can't do the thing, but there's drinks here.
And you
There
know
would
what?
be drinks.
You gotta show the door just a little bit. So
Here's the other door.
here it is.
There you go. Oh, and look, there's a close and open. Make sure you guys
Yeah.
see that.
And then you can also open the door even more. Bam,
Whoa.
bam.
There you
We
go.
have, like,
Make
glide
sure that
and
you could
access.
see it. There you go.
Yeah.
Wow. There
And
you
right
go.
here we have our 3 drawers, glide and access, you know. And here we got our easy to reach.
You know, for your dogs.
Yeah, you know.
You know, you got
For the babies, when they're feeling hungry.
of this fridge. The best feature is the cheese drawer. Whoa.
For all my cheeses, we got our smoked Gouda over here.
Make sure you can see
I mean,
those.
there's going to be smoked.
This is where the cheese would be.
Why is it
No,
focused
the
on my
cheese is
jeans?
all over.
Here
And
where
then
the
over
cheeses
here,
are gonna be. So then there's
We
the
got all our-
jeans. These are
all
the
of
cheeses.
our, you know, our
Right there.
stuff.
Right there.
You know, we can put some clothes in here. You know, you got some extra storage. You know,
Look,
we
this
don't
is
know.
obviously a laundry basket,
Yeah.
by the way, with
So,
me. So
That's my fridge.
you know, if you want to keep your, you know, when it's a hot day.
Just like go inside real quick.
Why is JD playing
Okay.
Guitar Hero? And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Catch your radio up.
As you can see, we are in the starfish. So let me hold the reflection. Water bottle floating with the fish.
Diglett, Diglett.